Home Remedies presents Remove dark spots in just 7 days with one ingredient. Buttermilk is one of the oldest remedies which helps in removing dead skin from your face and lightens your dark spots. You can skip the expensive skin creams as this rich byproduct of butter contains lactic acid and ascorbic acid, and this combination has the ability to lighten age spots, dark spots more effectively than lactic acid alone. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. The remedy is so simple to make. Let's see how. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon buttermilk powder, 1 teaspoon rose water. Directions: mix buttermilk with rose water, apply to the spots with a cotton ball, then rinse with water after 20 minutes. You can repeat this daily for best results. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.